Hello and welcome friends, I'm Smitha and in today's video, I'm just drawing a floral frame. I'll be using the Blender pen today. The Blender pen is the N00 pen that comes in many of the packs that you might already have. And I'm using Tombow dual brush pens. You want to apply the marker color first, towards the center where you would have the darker area of your petals, and then blend out the color with the Blender pen. Just apply strokes to drag the color, pull it, make the color light and airy. Add your next color. I don't really clean my Blender pen in between colors. There is a carryover of color because of it, but I don't mind it. You want to drag the color to form sharp points for the leaves and do all of this with your Blender pen. Apply color to the paper and work quickly. You don't want to let the color sit on the paper for too long or the Blender pen won't work on it. And also keep in mind, you don't need too much marker color at all. A little bit goes a long way. While applying color on the paper with your marker colors, don't waste time drawing the leaf shape. You just need some color on the paper. Use the Blender pen to do that and pull the color from these leaf shapes, pointy edges, everything that you need. I like to go in rainbow order so that even if the Blender tip is dirty, it won't really matter because the color blends in. And then I just continue in this manner, add more leaves, more flowers, some more fillers, some petals, till we're almost done. I'm using a thin 02 black pen. I'm just drawing out my frame shape, which is a rectangle. And that's it, all done. In today's video, I used Tombow dual brush pen. This is a 10-pack called Celebration, and I used it on paper which is a Strathmore visual journal. I'll make sure to link all the supplies used in the description box below. Thanks so much for spending some crafty time with me today, friends. I hope you have a great weekend, and I'll see you again soon with another video. Till then, happy crafting!